Hello everyone! I'm going to talk you through how to remove and install a new blade. First, make sure your trimmer is turned off. Unscrew the set screw holding the blade down with the provided Allen key. Locate the screws on the side of the trimmer holding the blade adjusters and unscrew them. Now push forward both blade adjusters and the blade. Use the blade adjusters as handles to safely pick up the old blade. If you are planning on using the same blade adjusters, you will need to remove them from your old blade. You will need a punch tool and a rubber mallet. Place the blade upside down on the edge of a flat surface. Place the punch tool in the hole holding the blade firmly. Remove the pin with the rubber mallet. To install the blade adjusters on the new blade, place the blade on a flat surface, grab the blade adjuster, and place it on the hole located on the edge of the blade. Using the punch tool and rubber mallet, insert the blade adjuster pin onto the blade. Repeat that process for the second blade adjuster. To install the completed blade, place it on top of the real blade. Pull the blade back into the slot. Lock the blade adjusters using the screws onto each side of the trimmer. Make sure that the blade is centered and that the edges are not outside of the trimmer. Lock the blade set screws. You will need to readjust the blade to its optimal cutting position. To do so, please refer to the guide adjusting the blade.